So let's go to clip 4. Let's click into it and then click on animation. And here you have 3 different options. You have in animations, out animations, and combo animations. Let's go right before our clip starts in the timeline, and let's add an in animation. Let's click on Zoom 1. And as you can see there, let's go back, it's a little bit quick. I'll press play. Now it zooms out, which I think looks really cool. But then again, as I preview through the timeline, it just kind of disappears and cuts back to my face. But that's why we have out animations as well. So we'll click out. And then this one looks kind of cool. Let's go for swoosh. I'll click that. Go back and preview it again. Now it does like a little cool swoosh bright thing as it leaves the frame. And then pretty similar to transitions, you can adjust the duration as well. These are the in and the out points of our animations. So for the beginning in animation, I can drag the duration to the right or left to increase or decrease the duration. And then the exact same thing for the out animation as well. Now for the combo animations, these ones I don't use as much. I would experiment around with these, but some of them seem to kind of glitch out, or I just don't have as much control, I feel, over when they come in and out of the frame. So for me at least, I like using the in and out animations, but feel free to try out the combo ones as well.